of Jean and Rodney Gardner of Wickhambrook in Suffolk.
Some years ago I was a West Suffolk County Councillor and found myself on the committees for the St Audrey's and St Clement's hospitals, and often went through Woodbridge, fell in love with it, and after a few years happened to attend a lecture given by Mr Norman Scarfe, who of course is our East Anglian historian. He mentioned that the Tide Mill was coming up for sale and how very much regretted that it was in such a very poor state. And next visit to Woodbridge, I walked along the quays and myself fell in love with the Tide Mill. Persuaded my husband to come on a second visit, and he agreed that we should make an attempt to buy the Tide Mill at the auction, which I think at that stage was only 10 days away. So it was a rather hasty decision. He joined me, and we were delighted when we did buy it.
We found ourselves in 1968 the proud possessors of a very decrepit mill, an equally decrepit granary, a nice bit of quay, and obviously a very expensive proposition ahead of us.